Okay, now I made some changes in the game. If I press space, I can change the puzzle whenever I want. Now I can show it to you because the recording will stop. Another thing that I changed is these bars here. I need to maybe fix something, and because the bars are not just like the they're not cover the entire space here. And another thing that I change is that when I can flip the images up, down, left, right, because the images can be not right. Okay, you see here, once you fix it one, you see that you have a feedback here of a more clear with a higher illumination here, so that you can see the piece here that you have fixed. Then you cannot throw anymore the pieces once you put there in the right way. And as I said, you can flip vertically and horizontally your pieces because they can be not in the right position. And this should be here. And let's see this one, for example. This one is this one, and if you see, it should be go here, and you see that I can flip it also here in when I position the puzzle here. And let's see, this one seems to me that is not right. Okay, I flipped it and now it's right. Now let me find this one. Is upside down too. And let's see the moon. This should be this one, but upside down. This should be right. And now you get the score here, as you can see, when you put a piece in the right places. You have 25 points, but if you take your puzzle here and take it for sometimes the score should decrease. I don't know if maybe I didn't do this in this version of the game. Maybe yes, the score when it's dragging one. Okay, the score is not let me change it. Puzzle dot score minus equal, let me say 1. Let's see what happens. So now I changed the score, and you see that now when I grab this one, it goes down, and perhaps a little too much. And but that's the idea, to not encourage you to drag down your pieces to confront them with the original picture. Okay, and so I will soon change that. I flipped this one because I think okay, this is the because if I do so, okay, look, so the score is negative now. And so this is the things that I changed for the moment. So see you soon at the next post about this. I think I can finish this game soon, and so now the images can have a different dimension. It's better that if they are divisible for 10, you can divide them for 10. And there you go, see this is flip it. So I press the middle button to flip it. Once it's okay, you cannot move them anymore. And okay, and sometimes there is some bugs. Thank you and see you next time.